Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video and in this section we are going to talk about AI. So how can we use AI in our YouTube channel and YouTube video? So AI makes our life easier. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload video with AI with title, description, tag, and also how can you select your YouTube video category. I'm going to show you all of this. AI makes our life simple. So after this you can save your time. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. First I'm going to upload a video, that's so you can easily understand. I'm going to select my file. So this is our video. I'm going to open this. Now see, it's uploading. From here I'm going to open my AI website. It's called Gemini.ai. It's actually Google AI. It's free for everyone. So after this I need to write a prompt for a video title. I'm going to enter my prompt. Create 20 YouTube video title from this. Then I'm copying my title. I click on submit. You can see this AI generate my 20 YouTube video title with this single title. So if you can choose any one of these, or you can remix this with this title or this title or this title. So I'm going to first copy this one. And if you want to remix with true title, then you can do it. So deleting your Facebook page fast and easy 2024 guide. So I'm going to add this one also. So you can see our video tag is ready. Now I'm going to write our YouTube video description with AI. Now this time I'm going to copy this title and paste in Gemini. Now I'm going to write my prompt. So you can see my prompt. Create YouTube video description from this title. You can also copy this prompt and save in your notepad. Then you can easily use this in every time. So I'm going to submit. So if you are not happy with your description, then you can edit this from here. Edit text. In bracket, you can write more thing. So you can easily copy this and paste it in your description. But you need to remember one thing. If you add your video title in your description, it's helpful for your video SEO. I already talked about this in past videos. So our description is ready. Now I'm going to add some tag in my video. So for this we need to copy our video title. And I'm going to write my prompt. So you can see this AI tool is generate our tag for our YouTube video. So I'm going to copy all of this. So there are two ways you can copy your tag. You can directly copy this one, or if I copy entirely, then paste it in our notepad. Then we need to remove unnecessary thing. After that, we need to add this in the end of every tag. After done with that, I'm going to simply copy my tag and paste it in my YouTube videos. You can see our YouTube tag, and you can also see our score. So this way you can easily boost up your video and update your SEO score. So our title, description and tag is ready. But if you don't know which category is best for you, then you can also use AI to select your video category. So I'm going to ask AI to select my YouTube video category. So we need to copy our title again. Then we need to ask AI to select our YouTube category which is best for our video. So I'm asked AI. So you can see AI suggests me 4 categories: education, tech and computing, how to style. So it's mainly prefer education category. So you can see it's already selected. So in this way you can easily SEO your video with AI. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.